What's up YouTube, it's your boy Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I will be reviewing my Pioneer double din, man. It's been a long time coming. I had this deck for a little bit over a year, so now I'm gonna finally review it and, you know, tell y'all what I like about it. And y'all know I'll be listening to Babyface Ray and stuff. So but yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it, man. So this is the home screen of the deck right here. So of course you got Apple CarPlay, you can have regular iPod mode, it has HD radio, Spotify on here. You could plug in a USB on this radio just in case if you have like music on a USB or whatever. And then also I do have Bluetooth, and it does have like phone capability like Bluetooth, to where if someone call I could talk directly on here. This is the little speaker right here, but I don't use this. I use my AirPods, to be honest. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it, man. You go right here, got Apple CarPlay, man. So you got the navigation, which is real important. I really do love this feature. I love Apple CarPlay. That's one of the reasons why I did buy this radio, is for the Apple CarPlay. Now, as far as the graphics, man, the graphics is not so good. I thought the graphics will be a little bit better, but you know, the graphics is not good on here. I thought I'd have, you know, a little bit more of an HD look, but you know, it is what it is. I kind of got used to it. I'm just happy that I can have, you know, I can see navigation without looking on my phone every 2 seconds. You know, I can listen to music, and you know, I can navigate through this and this and that. Or if I just want to look at the music with the album cover, if I have somebody in here and they want to know the song, you know, they can get the song, you know, by me just pushing this button. Or when I'm usually by myself, I have it on here just so I can see, you know, where I'm going and stuff. I kind of like that navy look anyway. But yeah, man, so yeah, you got Apple CarPlay. This is Bluetooth right here. If I click on this, you have, you know, Bluetooth or whatever. And it also has like this voice command stuff too. So it has Siri, so where I could talk to this, and pretty much it'll, you know, whatever I want, it would, you know, take me to, pretty much. So that's cool. It has a little voice feature with, you know, with Siri. Go ahead and turn that off. Also, man, let's go get into the settings, man. I tuned my own music, so everything I did, you know, was on my own. But yeah, before we get into that, I just want to show y'all all the features that this thing has. Yeah, you can also favorite stuff, so it could be easy to get to. And you could put a backup camera on here too. So yeah, you could put a backup camera. I'm thinking about putting a backup camera on this car, to be honest. I'm not too sure, but it does have backup camera availability. And then right here is, you know, gives you what, you know, what your background, what you want your background to be like. You could, you know, customize it or whatever. I don't know what I have mine on. Yeah, I think I have mine on right here. Different clock formats, you know, you could put it on or whatever. And then the color, like right here. So you see how I have this color orange? The reason why I have this color orange is because I like to match it with the gauge, and it looks really good at night. But you can have it, you know, any color you want, which is cool. So you could also make a color or whatever, but I keep it on orange just because I like to match this color with my gauges. Yes, I'm that type of person. I like it, you know, everything to match. So this is how you would connect your Bluetooth, pretty much. You'll come on here, and then you'll put search, and then you'll find your phone, and then you'll connect it or whatever. So as y'all can see, I have both of my iPhones on here. This was the iPhone 12 I have, and this is my iPhone 13. I need to delete that one, but yeah, both of my iPhones on here. Nobody else is on here. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the EQ part of this video. So as y'all can see, this is all the EQ that you can do. And to me, like, a lot of people buy Zap boards and stuff like that, but this EQ is actually real, you know, it's good enough, to be honest. It's good enough for me. So I EQ'd my own music, and how the way I did that was pretty much, this guy, he EQ'd my music in an Acura a long time ago, and it sounded really good. And he just took like, I just took pictures of it. So in my own deck, I had like an EQ system like this, and I took pictures of how the way he had it. And then how the way he had it was a little bit different because I had, you know, 412, so I didn't have no bass or nothing. So pretty much I spent like probably 2 hours just playing with this stuff. So I can't really tell y'all how the way I did it. I really just played with it, and you know, I love how the way it sounds. So pretty much I have It's louder coming in the front, of course. It's, you know, you could really hear it in the front, and then in the back with the 6x9s, you hear more of the bass. So it actually sound like I got a subwoofer back there or whatever, but it's really not. I just have regular 6x9. So, but I believe this side is the bass. I believe over here this might be your lows, mids, and I believe highs is over here. I'm not too sure. If you know, then comment on this video. But like I said, man, I was just playing with it, man. And then I learned all about this stuff on my old car, because I used to do stuff like this on my old car, and I can't wait till I get that subwoofer so I can put subwoofer on. And this is how you can turn your subwoofer on or off too. You turn it off like that. So yeah, as y'all can see, man, right here, this is like more of like the bass for me. I guess is how the way I set it up to where you, like I say, you hear more of the bass in the back. So, which sounds really, really good. So I actually explained that wrong. It's actually for the speaker level, meaning how high the speaker gets, so meaning how loud the speaker get. But I have the back producing more bass, meaning the higher I turn on the speaker, more bass produces out that speaker, if you can get what I'm saying. And then you have your crossover right here. This is my settings, what I use for my crossover. So as y'all can see, you know, I got that bass coming in the back. And then I have a bass boost of 2. And then I have the loudness on high. So when I get my subwoofer, man, I'll be able to have subwoofer settings, and then also it will unlock this subwoofer setting to where I could turn the subwoofer up so the bass could hit a lot more. That's what I do love about this Pioneer deck. So yeah, man, that's all the EQ settings right there. And also this Pioneer double din, this one didn't come with the CD player. So usually if you do have a CD player, you can watch movies and stuff in your car, but I didn't really too much care about that. I just really wanted Apple CarPlay and stuff like that, but I like it. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna see if I can find like a copyright free song that I could play so y'all can kind of like hear like how the way I tuned it or whatever, so y'all can see for yourself. All right, here y'all go right here. But anyways, let's get back into the video. So how does that sound? Let me know in the comments below, man. So as y'all can see, I had the 6x9s really producing more bass back there, and then I have, y'all can hear it real clear in the front. So that's how the way I do my music. I can't wait to EQ it when I get my subwoofers. And speaking of subwoofers, man, I should be getting subwoofers very, very, very soon, man. I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about finally you know, getting some subwoofers, man. This car needs it. I ain't gonna lie, this car needs it. I need some subwoofers. It's like I had this car for a little bit over a year, and not to have subwoofers is crazy. So definitely gonna be getting that real soon, so y'all definitely stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this review, man. As y'all can see, man, the cop came and pulled up on me, just trying to see if somebody was in the car and stuff. I really thought he was gonna be a asshole cop, but he was a cool cop. Just left, and I was just shooting a video, and he just left and went about his way. But I'm like, man, I do not need no other ticket, man. Please don't give me another ticket. But yeah, man, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, man. This is the Pioneer double din. This is what I got. Let me see the actual name for it real quick so y'all can see for yourself. Hold on. So this is the radio So this is the radio that I bought right here, as y'all can see. This is the exact one. 6.8 inches, got Amazon Alexa, all that, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, HD radio, like I mentioned. And if you're a bass head like me, you know, it got all the settings you need to EQ it to make sure your bass is going to hit, and it's going to hit good. So I definitely say you should buy this radio. And it actually went up, man. It's $449 on here. Look how much I paid. The regular price was like $350, and it went up to $449. So I bought it just in time. But anyways, man, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, stay tuned on to the next video, man. I definitely plan on getting subwoofers real soon. I plan on going with the Kicker Comp Q10s. Plan on getting 2 10s in this car, so it's gonna sound really good. I'm actually finna call and make an appointment right now, so we can go ahead and get that set up. And yeah, man, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like, all of that good stuff. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.